Hi guys, this is a short review for the new LEM meat grinder, Big Bite, which has been purchased from Bass Pro in Canada. And I'll open the box and I'll show you what's inside. So, as you can see, this is a number 8 meat grinder with a better and improved motor with 0.5 horsepower, 5 years warranty, and this is the content, what's included in the box. Basically 3 stainless steel grinder plates, which are really stainless steel and they are machined, not stamped. The coarse one is 3/8, 3/16 is the fine grind, and the other one is stuffing plate, which you can use for making sausages or whatever you prefer. Next thing is a stainless steel knife and 3 stuffing tubes, 1/2 inch, 1 inch, and 1 3/8. Meat stomper, which is really improved quality, and as I said a little bit ago, all metal gears. So this is the grinder, all stainless steel. Looks really professional. This is the nameplate on it. "370 watts or 1/2 horsepower." So this model is being made particularly for Bass Pro, I believe. That's why it has this RedHead logo on it. And the rest of the parts, or the head, again, new style and totally stainless. The auger, also stainless. 3 stainless steel plates, the coarse one, fine, and the stuffing plate. The knife, really good, high quality stainless. And this is a very convenient device just to pull auger when it's full. I'll demonstrate how you can use it later. This is the stomper, really I believe good quality plastic, not something which will really easy be bent or damaged. And stainless steel and this is the stainless steel pan. Again, really good quality, easy to clean. The 3 stuffing tubes, small size, middle, and the big one, respectively 1/2 inch, 1 inch, and 1 3/8. Another nice feature on this meat grinder is the small drawer here, so you can store some stuff, your grinding plates or knives or whatever you prefer. Another interesting feature of the grinder is so-called advanced Big Bite technology. That's why probably the name for this meat grinder. This is like the biggest distance here for the auger, where it grabs the meat from the hopper and it makes it really easy to grind the meat. There will be another video to let you know how actually this grinder operates indeed. Okay, so this is how the grinder looks when assembled. It has a really nice professional look, and this is the device I was talking about, when you can pull your auger if it's stuck with a little bit meat inside the head outside. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a good day.